In this video, we are going to talk about Elementor versus Gutenberg and who is going to dominate in the coming years. So let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So there was a time just a few years back, in order to build our WordPress website, we have to depend on what theme is offering. So whatever options are available with the theme, we are restricted with that to build our WordPress website. And then came the page builders and the theme builders like Elementor, and they give the complete power in the hand of the users to build their own website themes and build the WordPress website the way they like it. So after using these page builders, you no longer have to depend on the theme structure or whatever options are available in the theme. You can design your own custom theme and the look of your WordPress website whatever way you want to do it. And with that, WordPress also realized that there is a need to have a page builder inside WordPress itself. So they came up with the native page builder Gutenberg. So with that, instead of using the classic editor, which was just for typing the content and it was very similar to the Microsoft Word or any basic text editor, now you can design the layout of your pages, how you want to lay out your content, your images and various elements on that page. All that can be done using Gutenberg page editor. But the problem is, even after the launch of the latest version of WordPress, where they are moving towards the full site editing, where you can edit your headers and footers using the native Gutenberg page editor, they have a long way to go. If you compare the user experience of Elementor as well as Gutenberg or any other third-party theme builder is way ahead in terms of that user experience. There is definitely a learning curve for Elementor and there is definitely a serious learning curve for Gutenberg as well. Now, if you are new to WordPress, then there is definitely a learning curve, no matter if you want to start with Elementor theme builder or if you want to start with Gutenberg itself. But the point is, who is going to dominate in the coming years and which one you should choose for your WordPress website? And for me, the answer is you should choose both. So let me explain the why and how in this. Now let's first talk about the site speed or page loading time of your WordPress website. Now when we talk about a WordPress website built on Elementor and another site built on Gutenberg, the one which is built on Elementor will definitely be a little bit heavier on size, and there is definitely going to be a little bit of difference in the page loading speed. But there are a lot of ways by which you can optimize a website build using Elementor, and there is definitely a lot of ways you can mess up your Gutenberg website as well. So there are a lot of factors involved when we talk about the site speed, so you cannot 100% rely on that when you are making a decision if you want to go with Elementor or Gutenberg. So definitely Gutenberg is lighter, no doubt on that. But in my opinion, the sites which use both are the one which performs well. So the way one can use both is by using Elementor theme builder to create the structure of the website, your header, your footer, your page template, your blog theme template, your blog structure template, and then use Gutenberg page builder to add content on those pages and those blog posts. Or maybe you can use Elementor page builder to build your landing pages or maybe some graphic intensive pages. But when it comes to adding content for your blog post or for your various pages, Gutenberg should be your number one choice there. It's very inconvenient to add content using Elementor. So let me show you in the WordPress backend what I mean. So here we are in the Elementor editor, and in order to add content on this page, first we need to add a row, and then in order to add headings, paragraph, we need to drop various widgets here. So maybe first we can drop a heading, we can go ahead and change the text here, and after that we can drop the text editor and then start typing a paragraph here, or maybe we can just drop the heading again and then change that to paragraph. And if I need to add any image, I need to search for image widget and then drop it here and then upload the image here. And once again, if I need to add more content, I need to again drop heading or text editor below this. So as you can see, this is not a conventional way of writing content. While you are creating content on your page or maybe on your blog post, it has to be the same experience as you are typing on a Word document. And that's not the experience you will get while using Elementor page editor to create content. And above all, once you open your page in the front end and check the code, you get a lot of extra HTML structure, which is a bit unnecessary when you are just creating simple content. That is definitely going to affect your website speed. Now let's go back to dashboard, and instead of Elementor, let's go back to the native WordPress editor. So let me just remove everything here, and now I'm considering that we have designed our website page structure using Elementor, and now all I have to do is just add my content here, and rest of the design and the structure will be taken care by Elementor. So when I'm using the Gutenberg editor for the content, here you see I can easily start typing. And I can easily turn that to bold or any other thing, italics, or if I have to add any hyperlink, I can do it right from here. And once I'm done, all I have to do is just hit enter and I'll be in the next new paragraph. And here, if I have to add a new image, all I have to do is just type in / and here I will see all the Gutenberg blocks, and I can just type in img image. And then I will get an option to upload the image from the library without moving my mouse too much. So as you can see that the experience of adding content using Gutenberg is far better than adding content using Elementor page builder. So in my opinion, I would definitely use both. So I will use Elementor to create my website theme structure and the layouts, and then use Gutenberg editor to create content. But it is not mandatory to use both. We now have themes like Cadence, Astra, and various others which are highly sophisticated to design the complete layout using Gutenberg editor. And we are going to create a video where we will use only Gutenberg editor to create the complete website. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever that video is up. So if you are planning to build your WordPress website and you are in the middle of thinking which one you should use as your page builder, Elementor or Gutenberg, then you can definitely start with Gutenberg. See if you are comfortable with the user interface, if you are able to design whatever you want from your website, and if you think it's not, then you can definitely go ahead and add Elementor in it to design your structure. But make sure you always try to add content using the native Gutenberg page builder. So in conclusion, I can say that you should definitely use Gutenberg as much as possible, because Gutenberg is definitely lighter as compared to Elementor. And I'm sure in future they will dominate, but as of now, even if they include the full site editing in Gutenberg editor, they have a long way to make it user friendly. So till then, you can use the good things from both Gutenberg and Elementor and build the perfect website for your business. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.